We grow up being told to find ourselves, as if who we are is some fixed destination, something to be discovered once, then preserved forever. But what if that very idea is the root of our quiet suffering? The truth is, you are not a statue to be admired. You are a river, meant to move, to shift, to erode and reshape the ground beneath you. And yet we resist change like it's a betrayal, as if evolving is a form of failure, as if becoming different means we were never real to begin with. But look around. Everything in nature changes. The moon waxes and wanes, trees shed their leaves to rest, oceans rise and fall without apology. So why do we expect ourselves to be constant? Why do we shame ourselves for outgrowing people, jobs, beliefs, dreams, versions of ourselves we no longer recognize? Maybe the problem isn't that you're changing. Maybe the problem is you keep trying not to. You grip old identities with white knuckles because letting go feels like death. But it's not. It's a return to motion, to becoming, to truth. You were never meant to stay the same. You were made to unfold. And yet society rewards consistency. Same job, same routine, same smile. Even when it's fake, even when it's quietly killing you. So you shrink yourself to be digestible, predictable, understandable. You perform stability so well that no one notices you're crumbling. But somewhere deep inside, something is cracking. And that crack, it's not weakness. It's a door. It's the part of you that refuses to be frozen. The part of you that still dreams in colors you haven't named yet. We don't need more perfection. We need more becoming, more honest unraveling, more sacred shedding. Because growth, it's not clean. It's messy. It's raw. It breaks before it builds. But in that breaking, you meet the most honest version of yourself. And yes, it's terrifying to let go of who you've been, but it's even more terrifying to live a life that no longer fits. So if you feel restless, disoriented, like everything you once loved now feels hollow, you're not lost. You're transitioning. You are shedding the skin of your old self. And there is nothing wrong with that. Don't rush to fix it. Don't force clarity too soon. Sit in the unknown. Let it whisper to you. This discomfort isn't the end. It's the beginning of a new alignment, a deeper honesty, a bolder truth. And when you come out the other side, you will not be the same. And that will be your power. Because you were never meant to stay the same. You were meant to evolve, to expand, to become, again and again and again. There will be moments where you feel like a stranger to yourself. Moments where the world doesn't reflect who you're becoming. Don't take that as a sign you're wrong. Take it as proof that you're ahead of where you've been. Some won't understand your shift. They will mourn the version of you they once knew. Let them. You are not responsible for being digestible. You are responsible for being true. And truth often arrives quietly, in stillness mistaken for failure. But beneath that stillness, you are rearranging the architecture of your life, quietly, courageously, without applause. You are not broken for feeling distant from your old dreams. You're simply dreaming bigger now. You are not selfish for choosing peace over performance. You're simply learning that your worth was never tied to productivity. Yes, the cocoon is dark, but it is not a tomb. It is a sacred space of transformation, of unbecoming what no longer fits, and becoming what finally does. So don't rush the unfolding. Let it take the time it needs. Even the stars took millions of years to shine like they do now. You are allowed to take up space in your becoming. You are allowed to not have it all figured out. You are allowed to evolve, quietly, wildly, without warning. And when you do, you'll realize something profound. Staying the same was never the goal. Becoming more of who you truly are. That's the revolution.
If this made you pause, if you're drawn to deeper truths and quiet strength, then you're in the right place. Like, subscribe, and keep exploring with us. See you in the next one.